Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today, we focus on the topic at work, specifically the office. You will learn important vocabulary words that help you talk about common objects and people in an office environment. The office is a place where people work, often seated at desks with computers. A desk is a table where you do your work, and the computer is the electronic device used to complete tasks. Colleagues are the people you work with every day. The office is the room or building where people usually do their jobs, mainly at desks and with computers. A desk is a work surface to hold your computer, papers, and supplies. A computer is an electronic machine used to write emails, documents, and browse the internet. Colleagues are your coworkers, people who work together with you in the same place. In meetings, an agenda is a list of topics to discuss. Minutes are written notes that record what was said and decided during the meeting. Participants are the people who attend the meeting. A conference call is a telephone call where many people in different places can talk together. The chairperson is the person who leads the meeting. An action item is a task given to someone to complete after the meeting. A deadline is the date by which a task must be finished. Minutes are the official written record of what happened in the meeting. To adjourn means to officially end or pause a meeting. A motion is a formal suggestion made during the meeting that people vote on. A comment is a statement or opinion shared by a participant. A vote is when people show if they agree or disagree with a proposal. The leader is the person who organizes and guides the meeting. The facilitator helps keep the discussions on track and makes sure everyone can speak. The timekeeper makes sure the meeting follows the schedule and ends on time. The note-taker writes down important points and decisions. Here is a summary of important vocabulary. The office is a workspace with desks and computers. A desk is a personal work area. A computer is an essential device for work. Colleagues are coworkers. Meeting terms include agenda, minutes, and action items. Important roles are leader, facilitator, and timekeeper.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.